What's up guys, this is Leo with Key Print Co. And this video is actually not clickbait. At the time of recording this video, one of the world's biggest print shops online is selling custom printed hats. But the best part is how much they sell them for. So if you wanted a front print on a hat, it costs $28.24. If you wanted to get a front print and a back print, it's gonna cost $37.54. Now here's the cool part. There's a 12 unit minimum just to place the order. Can you guys imagine printing 12 items on your DTG machine at your print shop for $450.48? You wouldn't even be able to sell t-shirts at that price. Now, the reason for that is because t-shirts are so readily available. There's only so much that a customer is willing to pay for it. But hats are far less common. So, what I want to show you guys today is two different things. One, I want to go over the costs associated with printing custom hats at your print shop. And the second thing is, I want to show you guys how to actually print custom hats at your print shop. So, with that said, let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the numbers. Hats are a really high profit margin item because you can buy them in bulk, since one size fits most, and it's a really small print surface area. It's roughly the size of a left chest pocket print. So, let's start with the cost of the hat. If you buy a dozen hats, you're looking at around $3 per hat. Now, the next thing you want to factor in is the cost of the printing, which we're going to have on the front and on the back. So using the Epson F2100 price estimator, we're looking at about $1.50 to print on the front of the hat and on the back of the hat. So that brings your grand total up to $4.50 for the cost of the hat and the printing. So let's say that you charge the exact same amount as the print shop we talked about earlier. You're going to be charging $37.54. Minus the cost for the hat, minus the cost for the printing, you're looking at a profit of $33.04 per hat. And even if you want to factor in other things like labor cost, pre-treat if you use it, and any other type of miscellaneous cost, even $20 per hat is a really good profit margin per unit. Now, if you have a minimum quantity of 12 units per order, you're looking at $396.48 profit for that order. It's an incredibly great return on your investment because at this point you're probably wondering, how hard is it to print hats on a DTG machine? And that's the part I want to show you next. It's actually incredibly easy and really fast if you have the right platens. Okay, let's go to the print shop and I can show you guys how easy it is to print custom hats with your DTG machine. Alright guys, if we can get this video up to 100 likes, we're going to put all the suppliers that we use in the description below. If we can get it up to 500 likes, we're going to include 5 different hats that you can start customizing that are less than $5 each. And if this video can get up to 1,000 likes by next Friday, we're going to give away a free Captain Platen kit to one of you guys so that you can start printing these hats on your DTG machines. Here's how you set up the machine. Remove the t-shirt platen, remove the black box, then just drop in the master adapter, and you're done. Alright guys, let me show you how easy it is to print these custom hats. The first thing you want to do is take your Captain Platen and lock it into your setup station. Then you want to grab your hat, put the bill under the front bar, then you want to tuck the sweatband under this top plate. So you're going to do that on the right side first, then you can do the same thing on the left side. Make sure that the hat is nice and straight, and you can do that by feeling out the walls here on the side of the platen, then throw the rest of the hat back. You smooth out the print surface area, you engage the locking bar, and you give it one last tug on both sides, and that's it. From here, all you have to do is unlock the platen, and then take it over to your printer. Now just put the platen on the master adapter, and hit print. Now you can bring it back to your setup station, and offload the hat. To remove the hat, all you have to do is disengage the locking bar, lift it up from one side, and then pull the hat off. To print on the back of the hat, all you have to do is tuck the sweatband under the top plate. So we're going to do it on the right side first, but this time you're going to fold the entire sweatband under the top plate. So you do the right side and then the left side. Now you might be wondering what this little divot is for. It's so that the buckle can fit under the top plate. So you fold the entire sweatband under. Then you just have to make sure it's straight, and you can tell by the seam here. You smooth it out with your hands. You engage the locking bar, and you're done. From here, all you have to do is unlock the platen and take it to your printer. Now you just take it over to your printer and hit print. Now just take it over to your setup station and you're done. To unload the hat,
put it on your setup station, disengage the locking bar, and then lift the hat right off.
Hey guys, so this is the final hat that we printed up today. It has a sloth on the front and hibiscus flower on the back. And I really like the way that the hat came out. I like that his hand kind of goes down into the bill, so it adds a little bit more dimension to the artwork. But more than that, I really like that the hat just came out really good. The print quality is really solid, the detail is really there, the colors are super vibrant. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I was also kind of wondering, how is it that a big company can charge 37 bucks for a hat like this? And after a lot of thinking about it and really going through the process with other customers, it does make sense. It's a very uncommon product. You're printing on the front and the back. It's completely customized. Now there is one difference from this hat and the one that we compared to earlier, and that's we have a much bigger print surface area. For our hat, you're able to print from the top all the way to the bottom of the bill. For theirs, I believe you only have the top panel as the printing space. And then for us, the back, you can print all across the back as well. It adds a little bit more dimension to your hat when you have that big of a print surface area to offer your customers. So for those of you guys that are following us on Instagram, you know that we were putting live updates on our story as we were printing this hat for the video. And a lot of the questions that were coming in were in relation to, how do you sell this to your customer? How do you get customers to buy a brand new product for such a high price? And the answer is pretty easy actually. Most brands don't even know that this is an option for them, and it's your job to let them know. Just letting customers know that this is even an option more times than not gets you orders, especially for clothing lines. They really want to add new items to their collection, and if adding custom hats is an option that they didn't know they had before, that alone will get you a lot of new orders. If you're not printing for clothing lines, reach out to the brands and the companies that you are printing for. Tell them that you can print custom hats for their brand, and it's not going to be very difficult because you already have their artwork. Or the next time your customer places an order, ask them if they want to include some custom hats with their order. But the best part about this whole thing is that you're selling a very uncommon product, and like we discussed earlier, you can actually make more money because it's not like this is readily available around your town. So if customers fall in love with this product that you are offering, you control the price and you get to set the rules. At the end of the day, guys, everybody and their grandma prints t-shirts, and if you're not printing high profit margin items with your $20,000 printer, especially when we already made it so easy with the Captain Platen, you're basically just leaving money out on the table. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because the next time we find a big company making huge profit margins on DTG printed items, we're gonna make a video to show you guys how to print it on your machines, and we don't want you guys to miss it.